So,
Drawing the blinds.
huh? The blinds ain't doing that noise. We're laying on the couch. It's me, her, this dog over here, and this dog over here. No one else is in this house, and we're hearing some shit from down this hallway, which I've had stuff thrown at me paranormal, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous as fuck going back here, and she's looking at me like, bruh. What the fuck? Did you guys hear that? No one in this room. I know I caught that on camera. And that's not doing it. Proof my place is haunted. Right there. Dog cages.
I'm not worried about that.
Those ain't moving because no fucking wind.